upon us with the trust and faith that we will nourish it and that we will take care of it like our own child. They shed their blood, they shed their lives for this, to give us this gift of democracy. Let's look at this in terms of a relay race. In a relay race, there are 4 members. One person passes the baton on to the second member, and it is his responsibility to take it forward. Somewhere I feel, as a citizen of India, and as a citizen who wants to do something about the complaints of the people, instead of just criticizing and blaming the government or the officials. I feel that youth is the major section of the society. Instead of criticizing, instead of being influenced by the media, instead of learning to blame people for their problems, have we ever asked ourselves whether can we do something about our problems? Is there any way that we can contribute to the betterment of the society? I was in 6th grade when I had this dream of becoming a politician. I was looking for ways to enter politics because I had no political background. Having said that, I realized that the road to betterment is a long one. And one person cannot do everything. But many of us, when we get together and we decide that instead of complaining, we will actually do something tangible to make it better. This is our attempt by Gujarat Chhatra Sansad and Chhatra Sansad to unite the youth of the nation, to unite and aware the youth of the nation for the cause of socio-political issues. Everybody tells us that politics is a murky ground, that politics is a place that you should not tread. I say otherwise. I say politics has to be in the hands of the youth. Yes, experience matters. But do we or not need the representation of the youth? We certainly do. I feel that in fact, if we cannot